Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Techies. Guys, are you looking to deactivate your account online and you are not able to find out the right way, the right procedure, how to do that? See, it happens sometimes. People, they do ask me in this comment section that they want to deactivate their account for a particular time period where they don't want to be active on their Instagram account. So, but they don't know the exact procedure. They don't know the correct procedure how to do that. Well, if you're looking for the same problem, then let me tell you, you are right now on the right video, because today that's what I'm going to tell you, how your Instagram account can be deactivated or how it can be disabled. Both are same things. All right. So now let's go ahead and begin the video. So first of all, you need to enter your Instagram application, and please make sure that you must have the current version of Instagram, because this explanation I'm giving you on the 2023 version. All right. So once you are there in your Instagram, you are on your home page. Now over here on the home page, you need to tap on your profile picture, which is on the right side, the bottom. Let's tap on that. It will open your profile page. Now over here on this profile page, you see the three bars on the top right side corner. You need to tap on that. Now it will open a menu box for you, where you need to tap on the settings option, the first option. And now from here, you need to come to this help option. Over here on the help option, the next thing you need to do is you need to tap on the third option, the help center, the one from the top. You see the help center? You need to tap on this. Now again, it will take you to the another page. Now over here on this page, you see the three bars on the top right side corner. You need to tap on that. Now from here, you need to come to the second option, manage your account. Yeah. Now over here, you see the option, the third one from the bottom, it says delete your account. Now here is the option. You need to tap on this. That will take you to the another page. Now here you have to be very careful. All right. Why? That I'll tell you. Over here in these options, as you can see, it says delete your Instagram account and temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. They're the two different options. So the first option is, that means the temporary deactivation of your Insta account that we are looking right now, which means that your account will be deactivated for a particular time period, and your all posts and all the stuff that you have in your Insta account, that can be retrieved later easily. All right. And the second option is delete your Insta account. If you tap on this delete Insta account, that will completely delete your Instagram account. All your posts, your pictures, the videos, the followers, whatever you have on your Instagram will be deleted permanently. So be careful while doing that. So let's carefully tap the first option, temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. All right, guys. So then you will be transferred to the next page. And after checking temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, you need to scroll it down. And when you will scroll down, you will see a link over here. It says on the step 1, instagram.com. You need to tap on this option. It will reopen your Instagram account in a different tab. So you need to click on your profile icon picture, which is on the right side bottom. Once you will click on this, you will be directed to your profile page. And after here, you can see an icon over here that looks like a ring on the left side corner on the top. You need to tap on that. After that, you need to tap on edit profile, the first option. And after that, then you need to come to the bottom. And over here on the bottom, you see a temporarily deactivate my account. There is an option over here, which is written in the blue on the exactly in the bottom. Now you need to tap on this. And over here, now you need to again scroll it down, and you need to come on the first option. You see a dialog box over here. It says, why are you deactivating your account? Well, you can select any option that you like, because I don't want to deactivate my account permanently, so I cannot do that over here. And after that, it may ask you to re-enter your password. And after that, in the next box, you need to enter your password, the password from which you log in into your Insta account. You need to tap on that, and once you're done with that, you need to tap on this option, temporarily deactivate my account. And after that, it might ask you for how long you want to deactivate your account, like for a 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days, and like for a week, for a month. So just like that. Now whatever time period you want, you can select that option. I'm not going to do that because it's just a demonstration. I don't want to deactivate my account, so that's why I cannot explain exactly, tap on those options and give you the exact details. So, but it's a very simple step. Once you will tap on that, you will realize, you will come to know that what the next step would be. All right. So once you are confirmed with that, your Instagram account will be deactivated for that particular time period that you have chosen. And after that, again, once that time period is over, Instagram will again reinstate and it will revive your account again. All right. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.